Hey, how you doing, people? Welcome back. Astu's back. I have this 2024 Acura MDX. Okay, this car has 6,000 miles. You see it right there, 6,000 miles. All right, and I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change real quick. All right, so come with me. Let's get it. Stu, boom. Shout outs to everybody. All right, shout outs to the viewers, subscribers, uh, all that. Haters too. Come on, let's get it, man. This is how we open the hood. There's a lever over here. Just pull it. That's how you open the hood, all right? Come from here. There's a lever for the latch. All right. Here, engine oil cap. Uh, so this one's gonna take 0W20. Smell that. Smell that. Oil dipstick. Okay, I'll show you how to use that. Ports for the AC if you want to recharge it. ABS, motherboard, windshield fluid reservoir if you don't know where it goes. Coolant reservoir, fuse box, battery. Okay, and brake fluid reservoir. Okay, pretty much. Fan, two fans, independent fan. Pretty much. Yeah, let's go to the bottom. Let's drain this. Pause. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me show you this. This is 3.5 liter, all right? Okay, gasoline. Yeah, pretty much. We're gonna come here to the bottom. Maybe you don't need to remove the this cover. That's the oil drain plug, 17 millimeter. The oil filter right here. Okay. Pretty much. Yeah. We're about to see how the oil looked like at 6,000 miles. And you know what? It's a good thing to do it at 6,000 miles because the dealership is going to tell you, oh, do it at 10,000 miles or 15,000 miles. You don't want to do it at, you know. Sorry, but I'm not sorry to say it. To say that dealerships just want to rip you off. I'm saying they just want to sell you parts. They're trying to make money. I'm saying so they're gonna do whatever it takes. And if I buy a brand new car, I will do the first oil change at maybe 3,000, 5,000 miles. I don't care if it's brand new or, you know, I want my engine and my car to last me uh, for a long time because I paid like 60,000. Nah, not even though. Maybe 40,000, $50,000. You know, so I'm gonna make it last. I don't care if they say, "Oh, don't do it at 5,000." No, man, get that non-chain. So, pretty much, all right. At the end, it is whatever you want to do. You know what I'm saying? All right, that's pretty much it. Okay, the oil looks no, I don't know. I don't know why it looks so dark. Burn. It is burn. So yeah. All right. You let me know in the comment box what you think. Okay. What will you do with a? When will you do your oil change? Okay. When will you do your oil change in your brand new car? It's still brand new. It's still new, you know. 6,000 miles, nothing, nothing. They're probably gonna sell it to you at the same price as new. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, let's do the oil filter. The oil filter, nothing new, you know, just like that. Like Diddy, like that. Take that, take that, take that. I'm sorry, Diddy. Anyways, yeah, that's how you do it. Okay, obviously, you're gonna have to use something like this. Okay, barrel like this. Okay. All right. If you want to see all the tools that I'm using for this project, you see it right below the video. It says product section. Okay. In there, you see the tools that I'm using. All right. Clean the wiper, you know, do your thing. Clean with the oil filter sets, seats, whatever. Gucci. Put the new oil filter. All right. I'm gonna use this filter. That's a part number PO4612 Pronto. That's a brand, and I would also give you a few options. Okay, a few brands. LC Delco, Chan Fram, you know, so on. Napa Pencil, Pure Later, and all that. Those are the brands and the part numbers for this specific car, SUV, mini SUV, whatever you want to call it. Comes with a plastic. The filter also comes with the options, filter options. Okay. Like that, we're gonna loop this because it's dry. The gasket, all ring, whatever you want to call it. You can lube it with oil, WD-40, grease, whatever you want to do. Okay. You tell me. Put in the comment box what would you use and why. Now tied it by hand. You know the deal. Don't use tools because you're gonna chip it, you're gonna break it, you're gonna crack it, and and you don't want it to leak. That's pretty much it. Okay, now we're gonna pour the new oil. Let's see how much oil it takes. How many quarts? All right, coming through here. For your funnel. Right there. Right. This one, let me break it down for you. This is the oil dipstick. You're gonna measure the oil with this, okay? You see this line over here? When you pour the new oil, it's supposed to be there or a little bit below that, okay? This mark. All right. In fact, you know what? A lot of people don't know how to check the oil, so this is why I made the video. All right. You pour the new oil, okay? Then put this back. Put the oil, the cap back. You know, start the car, let it run for a minute. The oil is gonna go through the system. Then you stop the car. Um, Stop the car. Come through here. Pull out this guy, the dipstick, oil dipstick. It's gonna be all wet. Clean it, wipe it, dry it like this. You gotta look like this. Then put it in again. Pull it out all the way. You have to put it in all the way. Okay. Then pull it out, and it's gonna give you a reading. It's gonna tell you where the level is. Okay. So if it's around here, then of course you're gonna pour more oil Okay. Sorry about my secretary. All right. So here, if you pull it in, you pull it out, and the reading is around here at the half, you're gonna have to pour new oil, and you don't have to you don't have to start the car again. Just dip it again, pull it out, check the reading. Okay. Check the level. Pretty much. Yeah. All right. Let's pour this new oil. 0W20 full synthetic oil. All right. Tells you right there. So you're gonna come to your owner's manual, and open the page. 723. Okay, over here, engine oil. Recommended. Capacity change including filter, 5.6 quarts. Right, that's 5.3 liters. Okay, pretty much. 5.6 quarts. 0W20 full synthetic. All right, 5.6. Okay. Pretty much. Hey, put in the comment box. Let me know how you feel about this SUV, mini SUV. How you like it? Did it give you any problems and all that? 5.6 quart, 5.6 quarts. There you go. Put the cap back. Or dips the back. That's pretty much it. Say bye bye. Right here. Ooh. Gonna start the car. Car running right now. See the message. Okay, A1. Remember that. Okay. Push this to dismiss. Okay. Do you remember the A1? That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna use this. You used it before, right? So we're gonna go to vehicle. Scroll down. Maintenance information. Now A1, that's only for the engine. We can do all of them, okay? We could, but if you checking your tire life, the air filter life, and all that, if then you just want to do the oil life, which is this one. Okay, then you're gonna press that, reset. Yes, that's how you reset the oil life. Now it's 100%. Okay. But if you're on a rush or whatever, I don't know, somehow you just want to reset the whole thing, you come over here, reset all, do, click there. Okay, I'm not gonna do that here. Okay, you have transmission fluid, spark plugs, engine coolant, all-wheel drive fluid, brake fluid. All right. So that's pretty much it. This is how you reset the oil life. All right. If you have any questions, anything you want to say, put in the comment box. It's not necessary that I gotta tell you what to do with the like, subscribe, share button. Okay. But if you wanna support your the channel, you wanna show your love, right below the video there's a heart. It says super thanks. Click on it and it's gonna ask you for the tip. All right. Do that if you want to support the channel, okay? Since I'm doing this for free for you. All right. You know what a 5 makes me. That's 2. Boom. Like now.